Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, how much do we actually know about space? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into 10 mind-blowing space facts that sound completely unbelievable, but are 100% real. From bizarre planets to invisible forces shaping our universe, these facts will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew. Stick around till the end, because fact number 10 might just change the way you see reality itself. Let's jump right in. 1. There's a planet made entirely of diamonds. Yes, you heard that right. Meet 55 Cancri E, also nicknamed the Diamond Planet. It's located about 40 light-years away in the constellation Cancer. This planet is twice the size of Earth, but here's the kicker. Thanks to its carbon-rich composition and extreme pressure, scientists believe its interior is literally made of crystallized diamond. Imagine an entire planet shimmering with more wealth than all of Earth's economies combined. But before you start planning an interstellar heist, temperatures on its surface reach a blistering 4,000 degrees, 2,200 degrees. Definitely not a friendly getaway. Question for you. If you had access to endless diamonds, what would you actually do with them? 2. Space smells like burnt steak. Believe it or not, astronauts returning from spacewalks often report that their suits and equipment smell oddly familiar. The scent? A mix of burnt steak, hot metal, and welding fumes. This is due to polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, complex molecules created when stars die. They're floating everywhere in space, leaving this charred, smoky aroma behind. It's weird to think space has a smell, especially when you consider it's a vacuum. But the particles cling to surfaces, giving astronauts a cosmic BBQ experience. 3. One day on Venus is longer than its year. Here's something that'll mess with your sense of time. Venus takes 243 Earth days to rotate once on its axis, but it only takes 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. That means a single day on Venus lasts longer than an entire Venusian year. Even stranger? Venus rotates backwards compared to most other planets, so if you stood on its surface, you couldn't really survive, but hypothetically, the Sun would rise in the west and set in the east. 4. There's a giant cloud of alcohol in space. Ready for happy hour? Scientists have discovered a massive cloud of ethyl alcohol floating in space, near the Sagittarius B2 region, close to the center of our galaxy. How big is it? Enough alcohol to fill 400 trillion pints of beer. Unfortunately, it's spread across a massive area and mixed with toxic gases, so bottling it up isn't exactly practical. But still, somewhere out there is the universe's largest cosmic brewery. 5. Neutron stars are ridiculously dense. Imagine taking a star more massive than the Sun and compressing it into the size of a city. That's exactly what a neutron star is. To put it in perspective, one sugar cube-sized piece of a neutron star would weigh about 1 billion tons on Earth. It's so dense that atoms are crushed, and matter exists in an exotic state we can barely comprehend. If you dropped something on a neutron star, gravity would pull it down at a third of the speed of light. Isn't it insane to think that something so small can hold so much mass? 6. There's a cold spot in the universe scientists can't explain. The cosmic microwave background radiation, the afterglow of the Big Bang, is surprisingly uniform throughout space. But scientists have detected a mysterious cold spot, an area 1.8 billion light-years across that's significantly colder than its surroundings. Some theories suggest it's due to a supervoid, but others speculate something far stranger. Maybe even evidence of a parallel universe collision. What do you think? Could we be seeing signs of another universe brushing against ours? 7. Rogue planets roam the galaxy without a star. Not all planets have a sun to call home. Meet rogue planets. Planets drifting alone through the galaxy, unattached to any star. Some estimates suggest there could be billions of these lonely wanderers in the Milky Way alone. With no sunlight, they're cold, dark, and invisible unless detected by their gravitational pull. Essentially, they're the nomads of space, silently gliding through the void. 8. Space-time can be bent and twisted. Thanks to Einstein's theory of general relativity, we now know that massive objects like planets, stars, and black holes can bend space-time itself. This bending causes gravitational lensing, where light from distant galaxies gets warped around massive objects. Sometimes entire galaxies appear duplicated or stretched because of this effect, like nature's own funhouse mirror in space. It's a mind-bending reminder that space isn't a static backdrop. It's flexible like a cosmic fabric. 9. There's a planet where it rains glass sideways. Say hello to HD 1899733b, a blue exoplanet located 63 light-years away. At first glance, it looks serene with its deep blue color. But don't be fooled. This planet experiences winds up to 5,400 mph, 8,700 km/h, and rains molten glass horizontally due to its violent weather systems. Forget umbrellas, you wouldn't survive a second here. 10. The observable universe is just 5% of what exists. Here's the big one. Everything we can see, all the stars, planets, galaxies, accounts for only 5% of the total universe. The rest is made up of mysterious dark matter, 27%, and even more baffling dark energy, 68%. We can't see, touch, or directly detect them, but they're holding the cosmos together and driving its expansion faster and faster. It's humbling to realize that 95% of the universe is invisible, unexplained, and completely beyond our understanding. At least for now. So, next time you look up at the night sky, remember, space isn't just vast. It's full of incredible mind-bending secrets we're only starting to uncover. Which of these facts blew your mind the most? Drop your answer in the comments. And while you're at it, hit that subscribe button for more brain-twisting facts every week. Because when it comes to the universe, the truth is often stranger than fiction.